Welcome to Is6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to use MetaTrader 4 on macOS. If you have not installed it yet, download it from our website and follow the instructions. To begin, open the MetaTrader 4 application. Once MetaTrader 4 is open, you will see the Quotes tab. To add currency pairs, click the plus button and add the currency pair you would like to add by clicking on the green plus sign. The currency pair is now added to the list. To remove currency pairs, click on the pencil icon. Then select the currency pairs you would like to remove from the list and click the bin icon to remove them. You can open the currency chart by clicking on the currency pair of your choosing and selecting Chart. To choose the chart type, click on the chart icon and select your desired chart type between bar chart, candlesticks, or line chart. To change the time frame, click on the chart and select a time frame from the pop-up menu. To add indicators, click on the F symbol. Select Main Window. Select an indicator from the list provided and set your preferences for the chosen indicator. To track your progress, click on Journal. You can click on the mail icon to email it to yourself or others. Congratulations! You have now learned how to use MT4 on your macOS device. Thank you for choosing Is6FX. Happy trading!